So when I first got this chair, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't want to believe the hype, but it's worth the hype. So this thing is literally just meant to be an office chair in its own way by being the best office chair in its own way. I will tell you that it is the most comfortable thing that I've ever sat on, like point blank period in my life. The LIBERNOVO Omni chair is just something that I honestly never expected to like as much as I did. I was considering it to honestly just going to be an office chair, and quite frankly, it's more than that, like way more than that. And whether you want to look at the health aspects of how it's so much better than just an ordinary office chair, in that it has a lumbar support, which I was skeptical in the beginning, never having had it or used it before. I was mainly thinking, okay, maybe this is going to be something that, yes, it is well worth it, but maybe overstated or overhyped or whatever. And after I got to just laying back, which it can lay to about 160 degrees at varying angles, and there's no like friction, right? So when I was leaning back in it, nothing felt clunky. And this is self-built, you don't receive it as is. There's a few instructions like manuals, the manual is going to guide you through it, but I didn't feel any sort of issues or anything. And that was when I was reclining or even using it in different settings. And you can adjust the headrest as well to place it kind of exactly where you want to fit your head or whatever. It's just a piece of art. It does have a battery, right? So this isn't something that just lasts forever, and it's not complicated anyways. You just charge via USB-C. As long as you have a USB-C cable, it's not one of those complicated batteries that you need a special output or special, like it's not a Tesla, it's just a normal battery. And if you're wondering how it is after hours of use, even when I was using it, it has memory foam. And what I like most is that when you have a seat on the chair, it kind of curves with your back, it conforms to your back, and it fits seamlessly, and it's supposed to help your back, which it does. It gives you lumbar support, which I noticed that immediately, and that's one of the most beneficial things, at least I could feel. I'd say that's one thing that I'll give them credit for, is just that feature alone is one that is worthwhile in every single way. But having the option, the choice to be able to recline it, everybody knows there's just that kind of distance that you kind of like your seat to be, or you kind of like your spine to be. And you know, if you can recline it the way you want it to, which in this case you can with this beautiful, magnificent piece of art that it is, I didn't feel like I needed it to do too much. Okay, and this one maybe just a little nitpicking on my part, in a good way, in that I like the fact that they put rubber coating on the wheels. So every time I wheeled it around and moved it around, it took me a while to notice, but it was noticeably quiet. It's not like an office chair where the wheels get grainy, and after some time it just sounds noisy and everyone can just hear it from a mile away. Like you'll be across the aisle or somewhere else in the office and you can just hear that thing just grating on the floor. And it's not like that with this one, which that I'm very appreciative of, because my neighbors downstairs have already told me once, like, bruh, you gotta, you know, get a carpet or something. And I'm thankful for that. Now in the real world, if you ask me like, hey, is this like worth it? I will tell you absolutely. The price, however, you're gonna be spending over $1,000, and that is where I'm like, man. It comes with a footrest as well, right? The complete set is a footrest. And I'm not gonna lie, again, it just helps to have that feature where you can kind of lay down, relax, and throw your feet up, throw your legs up. And I'm just wondering, for some people, is it going to be worth $1,000? Maybe not if you can't afford it. Obviously, I would say it is definitely worth $1,000. Now, would I tell you right now to go and buy it for $1,000? That's up to you. I can have discount codes all I want, but based off the features and the ability to be able to pretty much recline and have lumbar support, health already put into the chair itself. I really like that, and I'm really fond of that. It's not easy to do that, especially making it so the assembly is so easy. I am not going to say this is something that was easy to build by them as in design, right? They had to design the whole thing, but having it being that easy to set up at home by myself, and then every single feature that comes to it, I'm not gonna lie, it is worth $1,000, like easy. But let me know what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, if there's anything else that you guys want me to review, let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next one.